Hey guys, and thank you for joining me here on Product Perspective. As you can probably already tell, I have a mic here right in the corner of the video. Of course, that's not where I'm going to be putting it all the time, but for this video, I'm going to be talking about this mic and what is so great about it. Now, it's the RODE VideoMic NTG. It was released November of 2019, so a somewhat new mic from RODE. But this is the video mic and the NTG series combined. So now you're having both mics in essentially one mic. Really, really nice microphone. I'm still testing out and trying to figure out the best settings, but let's just talk about it. I've been using it for a couple days now, and I really, really like the quality since I upgraded from this old guy right here. This is just a cheap $150 RODE mic. And it's pretty old, so it just wasn't getting me the quality that I wanted. So I was using a lapel microphone for a while, but I didn't like the quality quite as much as I wanted to, and just always wearing it and just kind of annoying. So still trying to figure out this mic best settings, but what I figured out about it is I'm using my external recorder. It gets a little bit of background noises, but same thing with my camera as well, so I'm still trying to figure out which settings are good there, but otherwise I've figured out everything else about it. So it comes with your sleeve right here, which is mainly for outside, wind, a lot of background noises and stuff like that. For an environment like this, you really don't need a sleeve, so that's why I don't have that on. You can see it here right on the box. It comes right off the shock mount, so you can either store that better, or if you want to manually clamp that somewhere without that being connected, like this microphone here where you can't take that off. So this mic is actually made out of all metal, so it has no plastic like its friend right here, which I was using. It's just made out of a cheap plastic, not very nice. You know, you drop that once or twice, it could easily crack in half. This mic is built quality, and it's not just gonna break on you, and puts out some incredible sound. So today I'm going to be talking about some of the best features about this mic. So like I said, it comes off of its shock mount. It comes with a rechargeable battery that you charge directly into the mic. This is a USB-C, which is really nice, so you can charge that up fast right into USB. You can also record through that same port, so if you're recording from your computer, this can be a USB mic, so that's pretty cool as well. The next thing is you actually have a dial on the back where you can adjust your sound volume from 15 to 1. So that's really nice to have that directly on your mic. Instead of digging into your camera settings, your recorder settings, you can just adjust that directly on the back there. Now we also have some cool settings here as well. So a lot of these are kind of complicated. You have the 75 and the 150. That just gives some better sound depending on what atmosphere you're in. So you can adjust that depending on what you think sounds better, if you're inside or outside or directly on a person versus not. The other settings there is -20, so that just gives you not that high sound. You can have that -20 on depending on what sounds better again. Of course, we have this next setting, which actually is called dual recording. So what that means is it's recording in the normal settings that you have set. So like say I have the settings right now, it's recording in that, but if for some reason that is getting that really high peaking and it's just doesn't sound good, it's actually recording in -20 on the left side of the mic. So you have the right channel and the left channel. The right channel is recording your normal settings, and your left channel is recording in -20. So if you have really bad quality, it's just too high, you can switch to that left channel, and now you have a pretty good sound because it's recording in -20. So you're not getting your stereo, you're just getting your mono. But I think it's nice for if you're not quite sure about your settings, you're not quite sure about the noise outside, how it's picking up, I would record in that as well. So those are just some nice settings there. You can change all of those directly on the mic, which I think are pretty nice because most mics you don't have all those settings. One of the best features though I think about this mic is it automatically turns on. If you've ever had those times to where you start recording or you finish recording and you go to editing and you have no sound, you forgot to turn on your mic. This automatically turns on. It senses the power, automatically turns on when you turn on your camera or phone or external recorder. Right when you shut it off, it shuts off as well. So you're saving battery and you're not worrying about always having to turn it on, forgetting that it's on and all that cool stuff. So I think that's a really, really nice feature about this mic. Now, of course, shotgun mics like this are made to be out of camera. I have it in camera right now so you can just see it, just kind of a cool way instead of having it completely out of camera. But shotgun mics are made to point directly at someone. So they're not picking up someone behind it, someone next to it, they're picking up you. And it still picks up the background noises, but it comes as background noises. It doesn't come as a direct sound like you're hearing me right now. So these are just super nice because you can get them, 10 feet away and you're still getting pretty good quality. Now, of course, I like to have it closer like I am right now or just out of frame because it just gets that even better quality. So like I said, it comes with this. Of course, it comes with this sleeve right here, which I don't have on. It comes with your USB-C cord. It comes with the mic itself, the shock frame, and it comes with your male-to-male jack, which will work for your phone or a normal camera, and that's about it. Another really cool thing about this is the slider. So on the bottom here, it slides back and forth depending on where you want it. Your mic usually gets in the way, and it's just really annoying. You have to add something else, a third-party slider, something else to get it out of the way. Or if you just want to get it a little bit closer to your audience that you're filming, this slider is really nice and it's built quality. It feels like a very nice slider and not just gonna break on you. So there are some really nice features about this mic. Let's see what Rode says about this mic. So they're saying this mic is the best all-around mic. It's one of the best on-camera mics. It has the VideoMic and NTG mic built together. This works for all different types of videos. Studio videos like this, outside videos, podcasting, picking up sounds on different items, all sorts of different types of recording. And that's one thing why I chose this mic, is because it's good for everything. It's not just good for talking, not just good for picking up sound, it's good for everything, and the quality is amazing. Like I said, if you hear the quality and you might hear a tiny bit of background noise, I'm still trying to tweak settings on my recorder because my recorder doesn't quite work perfectly with this mic. So like I said, you might have to adjust some settings and figure that out if you have some background noise depending on your camera or your mic. I really like this mic. I can't wait to use it more. Hopefully this is going to be my everyday shooter. I'm going to be testing out some more, and maybe in a couple months I'll come up with a follow-up video on best settings and best recorder to use with this mic. Well, I think I covered everything. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys stay safe and healthy in these crazy times with COVID-19 going around. Make sure you guys consider subscribing and also giving this video a like. And any products I talked about are down in the description if you want to check those out on Amazon. And I'll see you guys back in another video. Here we go. And look at this guy. Oh, their nose covered. It somehow pops apart. Some boxes I just don't know how they work. Oh, okay. So it pulls off like that.